Okay, so let's solve this particular problem. It says using the information in the table below and the electronegativities of elements periodic table, identify the unknown elements. So I noticed that on the test, a lot of you did this and you found 3 answers, which tells me you probably forgot about this first step. So a reminder that if you know that X combines with Cl, you can narrow it down even further, right? Because we also know from the periodic table what all of the charges are, right? So the pattern of the charges are as follows: 1 plus, 2 plus, and I went ahead and did the rest. Right, so these are all the charges of the elements. So I know that Cl has a charge of 1 minus, right? And because they want to equalize, 1 minus means it's going to gain an electron from somewhere. Where did it gain that electron from? Well, it has to gain it from somewhere. And the only thing that's giving away electrons has to be the other thing in the room, right? So X has to have a charge of 1 plus. So now I know, okay, whatever this element X is, it has to come from group 1A or column 1. So now I know it's one of these, but I don't know which one it is. But I know the electronegativity number of Cl, and I can use that along with the total electronegativity to figure out what X will be. So let's look up the electronegativity number of Cl, or chlorine, which is 3. So I have 3.0 minus, I don't know what this electronegativity number is, so let's just call it X. So 3.0 minus X equals my total electronegativity. So that's 2.1. So now I need to figure out and solve what X is using algebra. Right, so now I have positive 3. Positive 3. So I'm going to minus 3.0 on both sides. Right, so that will give me minus X equals 2.9 minus 3.0, which is negative 0.9. Because of my absolute value, X is 0.9, right? So if I know that X has to have a charge of plus 1 and it's got to be 0.9, I'm going to look in just the plus 1 column, looking for 0.9, and oh my gosh, it's Na. So my correct answer is going to be Na, sodium